seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
What's up guys? Welcome to Hangklip back again because we're allowed to dive crayfish today. We here with Captain as always. Got my diving buddy here with me. It's a bit of an overcast day. The water is a bit moody as they will say, but it's all good. Nothing we're not used to. We're here for the bucks. Let's get into the water. Woo! Sick, huh? Oh, what a lekker dive. Bit of tough conditions today, bit of a swell. Still super nice, we managed to get ourselves a feed. We got 3 crays that we're gonna cook up now. So hungry, I haven't eaten anything today. Happy chappies. Woo! So many people here today. We had ourselves a walk. We parked in so far. I am sweating my ass off in this wetsuit now. A warm dive and a warm hike. Nothing like hiking in a wetsuit.
Good deal.
I'm so warm. Whew. No, so when you dive in crayfish, always have some ice with you. It's the most humane way to deal with them. So this is our catch. Woo! Into the cooler. Not a leaky. Then last one. They need to be 80 millimeters from the front of the horn to the back where the tail start. And they go, and then the ice right on top of them. Welcome back to my place, guys. Unfortunately the weather turned for the worse on the beach, so we're in my kitchen, we're doing the cook up here. Today we're doing crayfish wraps. Looking so much forward to it. I hope it's delicious. This side, here we go, grated cheese, baby spinach, tomatoes, some mayo. We've got wraps, we've got the crayfish here, and I made a rookie error. I tailed these two and I couldn't get the meat out of the tail. So never done that before, don't do it. So cook them up, then just tail them, and the meat will come out super easy out of the tails. So we're gonna cook these three. This one we're gonna throw in a pan, and we're gonna boil the tail as well. So we've got the pan set up this side, and this side we're just getting the water up to boil. It's just normal clear water with some salt in there. Let's get cooking. Today's dive was so tough. Those conditions, the water was just not clear. I just didn't stumble upon the crays. Normally it's not a struggle for me at Hangklip, but hey, there's days like that. Still got the feed more than enough for me and Serene. Unfortunately, Martin and I split up. He needed to go the other way and I went back home. So he can't, unfortunately, enjoy these crayfish wraps with us today. Martin, if you're watching this, it's probably gonna be good. Finally, the water is boiling, so we'll just grab this bad boy. In you go. Pump that one in there. In you go. And then a tail. Let's get you in there. Let's get my phone unlocked. 10 minutes on the clock. We need the lid. We need a lid. This will do. Now we wait. Oh no, let's do the crayfish. Oh, so confused. Let's get some olive oil here. And tail going in. Let's get some lemon and black pepper. Love the spice. Let's try it. Oh, it smells amazing. Those babies are boiling. Don't close the lid. It will overflow. So I always leave it like that. It is like 30 degrees in Stellenbosch today. It is warm and the kitchen is very warm. This is gonna be amazing. It is definitely ready. Gonna take it off. Crayfish is ready as well to come out, the boiling ones. So let's turn that down and get them out as well, but let's do that one first. Okay, so I'm moving you guys around like crazy. Why is everything happening at the same time? Pan crayfish. we go. Oh, nice and red. Just gonna let them cool down. Let's taste this. Okay. Okay. So this is the tail that was obviously removed and that I did in a pan. If this is good, I'm gonna quickly throw those tails in the pan as well with the spice. But yeah, taste this. Nah, I like boiling them. Looks so good, so good. The crayfish cooled right off. Just left them here for a while. These are nice and cold, so I'm just gonna break this tail off. Let's do that in the sink, just a twist. Comes right out. My meat scissors, and we're just gonna cut through here, grab the meat, oops, and you just pull it right out of the shell, split it in the middle, and you wanna remove the poop tube. It is comes right out like that, and there you have a beautiful piece of kreefstaart. All I'm gonna do now is cut this tail into reasonable sizes like so. Got a wrap here, a little bit of mayo. Let's do enough mayo because I like it, like so. I think that is enough. And then we do the crayfish tail, like so. Okay, some tomatoes. These might be too big. Do not care, I like tomatoes. Let's do some leaves, like so. Some cheese. Okay, now let's not add those. Let's close this bad boy up. Okay, let's just dig into this, I guess. Crayfish wrap. Taste this. Okay. This is amazing. You know what needs an avo? I should have added an avo. Let's make full serene one as well. She's around here somewhere. Serene, the meatloaf. Here is cheese. Okay, you ready to build yourself a wrap?
Myself, I thought you were doing it.
Okay, so you want to hold the camera?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay, so it's a wrap. Mayo. Een beetje more. Daar is te veel. Zal ik net mayo eten?
It's a mayo right now. Why?
Okay, you got some crayfish tail. Boop, boop. Boop. Okay, some models. Let's throw them in there. Trust me, this is okay. It's okay.
Looks amazing.
Get some baby spinach. That is good. Some cheese. Okay. Let's close her up. Okay.
And there we go.
There you go.
Thank you. That looks great.
You need to taste it now, unfortunately.
In front of the camera. What if I don't like it?
Then you tell the people you don't like it.
I'm kidding. Okay. Alrighty. Let's get it good. Oh, that's really good.
It's good, no? It is really good. And that is yours as well. Saved the biggest one. Look at those paws.
It's the best day ever.
There you go. Off she goes.
Bye. Oh no. Oh yes.
Oh, well done.
Oh. Never mind.
Guys, if you did enjoy this video and stay to the end, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna I'm gonna smash this head now. Catch you guys on the next adventure. Thanks so much for watching. That's a wrap.